Let me quickly show you how to make your videos glow with eye-catching neon effects in Capcut. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's get started. Start by opening Capcut and uploading your video to the media library. Drag it into the timeline and play through the clip to find the part where you want the neon effect to shine. Once you've found it, use the split tool, which on your keyboard is Ctrl-B, to isolate that section. Next, go to the Effect tab on the left and search for Neon. You'll see a variety of glowing effects. Pick one you like and drag it onto the timeline above your clip. If you're using CapCut Pro, you can now customize the effect even further by clicking on it in the timeline and using the Inspect panel on the right. Here you can adjust its settings like glow intensity and strength. If you want to apply the neon effect to just one area, use the masking tool in the Inspect panel. Choose a shape like a rectangle or circle and place it over the area you want to highlight, and adjust it from there as needed to make your scene pop. To add neon text, head to the Text tab, select a title style, and drag it onto the timeline. Customize it in the Inspect panel with glowing colors, bold shadows, and animations to make it stand out. For an extra touch, combine the neon effect with transitions. Go to the Transitions tab and try effects like glow in, out, or flash. Drag them between clips for a seamless and dynamic flow. Once everything looks good, play back your video to preview the final result. When you're happy with it, go ahead and export. And that's it, you've just transformed your video into a glowing masterpiece. I hope this tutorial helped.